How to send one message to multiple people on Android Messages. This tutorial will show you how to do it. First, open the Messages app on your phone. Next, tap the New Message or Start Chat button. Then, in the search bar at the top, search for a contact and select it. Next, tap on Create Group. Then select all the contacts you want to send the message to and tap Next or Create, depending on your device. Once the group conversation is created, tap on the message box at the bottom and type your message. After that, tap the Send button, and your message will be delivered to everyone in the group. Once you've added everyone, type your message in the text box at the bottom. After that, tap the Send button to send the message to all selected contacts at once. On some Android devices, the Messages app may automatically create a group conversation when you add multiple contacts. The interface can vary depending on your phone model and software version. That's it. This is how you can send one message to multiple people using the Android Messages app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android tips and tutorials.